Hi, welcome back. This is a case study based on the objects chapter. Let us see that. Object-oriented programming, OOP, represents a program as a set of objects. An object is an identifiable entity that has a set of attributes, behavior, and state. Attributes are individual characteristics that differentiate one object from the other. The actions of the operations an object can perform is called its behavior. The state of an object is defined by the set of values held by its attributes. Objects that share the same attributes and behavior group together into a class. An object belonging to a particular class is known as the instance of the class. Classes can be derived from other class. The class that is derived from another class is called a subclass. Class from which it is derived is called superclass. So whenever they ask you any question based on this case study, please do go through the content. That is very important. Go through the content and then only answer the question. Come on, let's see. So the questions are given on the right hand side. Dash is an identifiable entity that has a set of attributes, behavior, and state. So the right option will be an object. So you should go through whether method is an identifiable, no. State is an identifiable, no. Class is an identifiable entity, no. But object is an identifiable entity. So the answer for this question will be object. The next one is all the objects of the same class will have the same state. No, it is false. Sometimes the state will be different. It may be solid, it may be a gaseous state, it may be a liquid state, whatever it is. So the state will be different. It is false. The class that is extended from another class is called as which class is extended from another class. So if you don't know what to write, please do go through the content whatever you're having. The class that is extended from another class, is there anything given? So you just have to go through here. The class that is extended from another class that is derived from another class is called as subclass. So the answer will be subclass. Dash are individual characteristics that differentiate one object from the other. So what are the individual characteristics? So you go here, attributes are individual. So the answer will be attributes. So if you don't know the answer, please do go through what is given in the content again. Objects that share the same attributes and behavior grouped together into a dash. So objects that share same attribute and behavior grouped together into a class. So the answer is class. So this is how you have to answer. First of all, if you know whatever it is, just put a tick mark and be waiting, and then please do go through the content, like how you answer the English comprehension. See the keywords that are given here and then refer to this paragraph given. Then the answer will be very easy for you all the best. More case studies will be posted. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.